Dogecoin is setting up nicely for a big move. If we take a look at the chart, Dogecoin is absolutely just stair-stepping. It is an upwards trend. It is an upwards momentum. It is going up, guys. And this weekend, right now, we are seeing Ethereum after the stock market closed. We're seeing Cardano. We're seeing Ethereum. We're seeing our favorite coins. Even Bitcoin is starting to pump, but we are seeing an Ethereum and altcoin dominance right now. So this is a perfect recipe for Dogecoin absolutely mooning this weekend. So guys, stay tuned into the end of the video because we're going to be breaking over some news, some technical analysis, some price predictions for Dogecoin. And if you guys want Dogecoin to absolutely go to the moon this weekend, please smash that like button. What's up, everyone? My name is Miles with MYLESG Investments. I have over 12 years of investment and trading experience. And in my videos, I make videos on Dogecoin and altcoins, cryptocurrencies. We do some technical analysis with price predictions. And guys, a lot of my videos, they call out big plays before they happen through my expertise in technical analysis. So if you want to catch those big plays, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you do not miss a single video. And we have an awesome Discord, over 600 members. If you guys want to join that, you can do that through the Patreon. So go ahead and check that out and some of my other financial services that I offer to help you guys make money. All right, do you think that Dogecoin is absolutely going to moon this weekend? I believe a lot of people are saying that Bitcoin is going to potentially hit 70K. And if that happens, we're going to see Ethereum maybe hit 22 or 2300. I'm waiting for a big explosion because we've seen cryptos just kind of consolidate and just trade sideways for a little bit. But that is good. That's a recipe for a major boom. And I think that is coming very soon, especially next week. I believe if it's not this weekend, we're going to see a big boom next week because we have a lot of futures contracts expiring next week, which can allow Bitcoin, Ethereum to really pump because we have a lot of people shorting Bitcoin, Ethereum, a lot of these coins, which keeps the price down. It keeps the price from consolidating. But once they can explode, they absolutely go crazy. And that's what we saw. Remember when Bitcoin finally broke over 50,000, it jumped 50 to 60,000, came down, and then hit 62,000, came down. So we are due for a major breakout, not just in Bitcoin and Ethereum, but Dogecoin and our favorite altcoins. So put it in the comments below. Do you guys think we're going to moon this week or next week? What are your thoughts in just the relative short term? What do you think is going to be happening for Dogecoin? So what we are currently seeing is we are seeing Elon Musk continuing to tweet. He continues to support Dogecoin, and I do not think this is going to be happening anytime soon that he will drop his support for Dogecoin. Who knows? He may carry his support for Dogecoin for years or even for as long as he lives, even after Dogecoin hits $1, which is his goal. He's trying to get that to happen because he wants to help the little guys. He wants to help the little guys to make money. Yes, people that have invested $1,000, and if they were to get Dogecoin to go to $1, that person who invested $1,000 would make $100,000. That's basically what some of these people have invested at when Dogecoin was less than a penny, or is that pennies, or even 5 cents. If you have, there's some people that have $50,000 in Dogecoin bought at 5 cents, or there's people that have 10,000, or some people might not even have that much. They might just have a couple $100s. But in time, Dogecoin is absolutely going to moon. In time, Dogecoin is going to be worth a lot of money. And in my prediction, I believe that Dogecoin could possibly, like in 5 to 10 years, this thing could be maybe $10. I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. But if we take a look at this article, it says Elon Musk won't stop tweeting about Dogecoin and cryptocurrency prices are a volatile mess. So what it goes to say is it talks about some of Elon Musk's tweets. And even just yesterday, he made a tweet. And look at this. This was the tweet by Lex Fridman. And this tweet is not about Bitcoin. Not everything is about Bitcoin, or is it? And Elon Musk responded to him, which is so cool because Elon Musk actually responds to a lot of people. So you guys should definitely try to talk to him. But look, it says sometimes it's about Doge. So he's referring to take away some of the spotlight, maybe on Bitcoin, maybe on some of these other coins, and put it on Doge because he's a supporter of Doge. He is one of the bigger whales in Doge, and he really wants to help us, the little guys, to make money, to make life-changing money. And we can do this if we all stick together, if we all accumulate, if we use it, if we continue to hodl it, continue to have diamond hands no matter what. In the future, this thing is going to be worth a lot of money. We have to compare Similarly, Bitcoin, yes, it's completely different than Bitcoin. It's completely different than Ethereum. Look, just a year ago, Bitcoin was trading less than $4,000. And just a year ago, Ethereum was nearly at $100. Ethereum, it's nearly $2,000 and it was only $100. So what is that, 20x, for Ethereum, and how much more for Bitcoin? So how much more do you think Dogecoin will be in a year? Yes, Dogecoin is a little bit different than Bitcoin and Ethereum. It's doesn't have much market cap. It's not as trusted. It's a different type of investment. It has a different type of usage. But guys, in time, these cryptocurrencies are the future. And in time, as we are seeing people start to use it, sports teams start to use Dogecoin, we are seeing more people use it, which means when people begin to use these things more, it brings the price up of cryptocurrencies. So whenever investing into something, don't be so short-minded where you're only looking at today or the next couple of days, or it might drop or it might crash or something. But if you look at the long run, Bitcoin in a year, it fell down many times. It retraced, it corrected a lot of times. But where was it at a year, and where did it go in a year's time? It went from $4,000 to $60,000. So looking at investing in a longer term perspective, you're able to make more money, and it also helps you psychologically. Whenever your cryptocurrency or whatever you're investing in, whenever it drops down significantly, you have a long-term mindset, so it necessarily doesn't affect you. It's not that big of a deal because you're looking at the long road. Yeah, right now the price might be low, but in a little bit in the future, the price is going to be so much higher. All right, so what I want to do is I want to go over some technical analysis so we can look at Dogecoin and see where it's headed. And I was so busy I wasn't able to make a video, but I was yesterday, based on the performance of Dogecoin and where I thought it was heading before we saw a reversal to the upside, I was thinking that we should wait before making another entry into Dogecoin. But this thing has since corrected. We're looking at a 4-hour chart on Market Cypher. A Market Cypher can kind of let us know big plays before they happen. It can let us know changes of direction. Look, if we take an example, whenever we see this blood red diamond on the 4-hour chart, look, the thing could have been, the candle could have been in green at this point, but we see this red blood diamond, and look at how far it has gone down ever since. Look, it came all the way down to here, and even to here, which is even lower, which is pretty significant. And some of these green dots and these yellow little triangles let us know some bullish movement, and the green dots can let us know pretty much a buying opportunity. And we can also look in the bottom, the oscillators. They show us the bottoms. Like, we're seeing this green dot. Look here, it says buy right here. That's what that green dot means, buy right here. Look how much further it went up. Look how much profits it would have made, and let's see how much it was. A 17% gain, and if you're trading on leverage, you could have really turned that into hundreds of percents of profits. And we see, look, sometimes we see these more red, we see a little bit of a blood diamond here, and it lets us know, kind of like when there's more selling, it lets us know when it's about to drop. But right now we're seeing a green dot on the bottom of the oscillator, so I think we're in a pretty good buying territory. I always wait for big dips because we always will have big dips. There might not be massive dips, but we will always have consistent dips in time. It might take months, it might take weeks, but we get our dips in time. And if you're patient, you can catch those dips and make the best entry, and you're able to make the most profits. So just looking in the relative short term, I see this green dot. We're seeing a bunch of green dots. And that's showing us that this thing is probably about to explode, that this thing is absolutely about to get brought up. In addition to that, we are trending up. We're in an uptrend, guys, and we're going to continue to trend in this channel. That is my belief, especially with all the stimulus money that's going to be injected into all of these things. And if we take a look at Ethereum is starting to pump. If we take a look at Bitcoin, look, this thing is traveling up. We got a couple of green dots, pretty much no red blood diamonds, no really red diamonds. We're seeing a lot of bullishness, a lot of confirmation to the upside. And especially for Doge, I think we're going to continue to trend up. And I believe that within the next week or two that we're going to start getting above the 6 cent level. We might even get to 7 cents, but we're going to get to the 6 cent level and stay there. And the 6 cent level is going to be our bottom versus where we're at 5.5 cents. We kind of hang around the 5.5 cents level and consolidate there, and we get our pumps, but we come back down to the 5.5 cents. So what we're seeing in time is, remember, we were at what, 4 cents, 4.5 cents, and we just keep stair-stepping our way up. So we're on the way to the moon. So guys, if we can get Bitcoin, Ethereum, if we can get these cryptocurrencies to pump this weekend, I am firmly solid on the fact that we could break 6 cents and 6.5 cents to possibly 7 cents within the next couple of weeks and stay in that range and continue to move up from that range. And in a year from now, we'll probably be looking at 50 cents and saying the same thing, maybe $1, who knows? What are your guys' thoughts? Do you guys think in a year from now we'll be at 50 cents or $1? Let me know in the comments below. And also, if you guys really like the video or you got any good information on it, I ask that you would smash that like button and share the video with some of your friends and family. And I will see you guys tomorrow. So go ahead and join the Discord. You can do so through the Patreon, and I will see you guys tomorrow.